Hi friends, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. Today we will be making this delicious chicken burger. Take 900 grams of minced chicken, and to this we will add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1½ cup breadcrumbs, and then we will mix all of these together. Add 1 egg and mix everything together. Now we are ready to make burger patties. Heat the pan on a medium-high flame and add oil to it. I am using a grill pan, but you can use any pan. Now we will make patties from the chicken mince. You can use some water to flatten the patty, and then we will fry the patty on the pan. Similarly, make the rest of the patties and fry them for 3 minutes, and then we will cover the lid and fry for 2 more minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Now cover the lid and cook for 2 more minutes. This way the patties will absorb the moisture from the steam and make them really soft on the inside. Now uncover the lid and cook it for 2 more minutes. Then we will turn over the patties, add some oil if necessary, and then cover the lid of the pan and cook it for 3 more minutes. It has been 3 minutes and now our patties are completely cooked. We will go ahead and place them on a paper towel. Now that our patties are ready, we will go ahead and toast the buns for the burger. Add some butter to the pan as desired. Then place the buns onto the pan and press them gently. Now we will flip our buns and toast them on the other side as well. Now that our patties and buns are ready, we will assemble the burger together. Add your desired quantity of mayonnaise to the bun, then add some slices of tomato and onions. Then add the burger patty. You can basically add any toppings of your choice. It is a pretty versatile burger. Then add a slice of cheese of your choice. I am using provolone cheese, but you can use any cheese. Then I am going to add some relish. If you don't have relish, you can just skip this step. Add some lettuce, and then our delicious chicken burger is ready to serve and enjoy. It turned out so delicious and amazing. You should definitely try this recipe. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes every single week. Thank you for watching. Until next time, get spiced and thrive.